Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittney Bundles, and today's video is a vlog video. Welcome to Vlogmas. Today on the agenda, I do need to pick up some items that I ordered from Black Friday, Cyber Monday, even before Black Friday. I also just left Tropical Smoothie. I picked up their new gingerbread smoothie, which for the longest, I did record a video on this too. So if you want to know what it tastes like and my thought on it, be sure to check out that video. But for the longest in the video, I was referring to it as the pumpkin spice smoothie. But it does taste like pumpkin spice too. I don't know. So it's a little funny because I was literally referring to it as the pumpkin spice smoothie until I looked at the tag on my cup and it read gingerbread. And I'm like, oh yeah, it is a gingerbread smoothie. So that was pretty funny. So make sure you watch that video after this if you haven't. Yeah, pretty refreshing. But after I head to I'm gonna stop at the post office first and pick up some of the things that I need to for my P.O. box, and then I do have a larger purchase that's at the Home Depot store, but I don't know if there's gonna be enough room in my trunk, excuse me. And I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put the TV stand in my trunk, or if they're gonna have someone there that can help me put it in my truck. I think that they'll have someone there that can help me. Normally when I order big things from Walmart or any other store, they have some person that can help me put it in the back of my trunk, but sometimes they don't have that option available too, especially with COVID. So I don't know, but wish me luck. If not, then I'll have to go back, and get with some help to get the TV stand. So that's on my agenda. I do need to create a newsletter for my business, and I think that's pretty much it on the list of everything that I have. Packages. I don't remember ordering all of this stuff. Oh yes I do. It was over the course of that Black Friday, pre-Black Friday, Black Friday, and Cyber Monday. So I do remember. I'm not gonna do an unboxing on all the stuff that I got, just some of the stuff. But yeah, one stop down. So now it's time for me to go get my baby son, and after I get my oldest son from practice, then I will go and we'll see if the TV stand can fit in my trunk. So I am off to get my son from school, and I'll probably pick you all up once I'm on my way to Home Depot. So we'll just see. Stay tuned. All right, so I'm walking back from inside of Home Depot, and I don't know if the package will fit inside of my car. So we're gonna see. I'm going to drive up to the front and see if it will fit, which I am highly certain it probably won't. All right, so I'm back home and I just got done recording my unboxing video for the Alexa Eagle Dot, or Echo Dot, excuse me. And I'm gonna go ahead and edit that video probably tomorrow. And right now I'm gonna set up my Echo Dot. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with that. And I'm gonna show you kind of what everything looks like right now. So here is the Alexa Echo Dot. And here are the instructions, and here's the box and everything that I just unboxed. So be sure to check out that video. I don't know when that video will be uploaded, whether it'll be before this video or after, but just make sure you're subscribed and your post notifications are on. That way you don't miss anything that I upload. But I'm gonna go ahead and set this up probably off camera because I need to use my phone to download the app. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And I think most of the process is done like on my phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the process of setting everything up. And then I did mention in my video that I plan on doing like an updates video to let you all know how I enjoy using the Alexa, how the setup process was and things like that. So if you're interested in purchasing this, you know, be sure to check out that video. Like I mentioned, I did catch a good deal on Cyber Monday. I got 50% off. So instead of paying like the $49.99, it was like $24.99. So a really good deal. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up and I'll be back with you all. Made a seafood boil yesterday and fell asleep. That was all she wrote. I planned on recording me actually making the seafood boil, but I did not. If I have a picture, I'll insert it somewhere in this clip. But today on the schedule, I do need to do some work for my business. I am going to get some newsletters created to send out in the future. So I plan on sending out my newsletter either on Sunday or Tuesday at the latest. I didn't get to create my newsletter yesterday. I literally fell asleep right after the seafood boil. Wait, I ate the seafood boil and then I watched a new movie on Netflix and fell asleep after that. It's not even a movie, it's a series. It's called You Don't Know Me. I'm at like 2.5. I watched 2.5 series and I have like 1.5 to go, I believe. I think there's only like 4 seasons or 4 episodes. So if you haven't watched that, check it out. It's really good from what I'm seeing now. I just hope it has a good ending, because sometimes I watch movies and they're really, really good and then the ending is like, huh? So that's that. And then also I got my TV stand put together, so I'm going to be showing you all what that looks like. I'm going to go make some coffee and I'll be back with you all in just a moment. All right, so now I'm about to work on my newsletter. What I'm doing is I'm looking at the content that I already wrote out in one of my planners. And this planner I kind of use like as a journal. So I'm not going by like the right dates or anything. As you can see, I have February. Well, I'll probably blur this out for just safety and privacy, but this is February. So this is by no means my like day-to-day calendar. This is just like my journal pretty much. I just like the planner, excuse me. So I decided to get it and use it how I saw fit. And then this is the planner that I use with the actual dates. So I'm looking at what I did last week, but I'm actually now in December. So I'm going to work on my newsletter like I've been mentioning. I also need to record a podcast, and I need to actually check that because I think I just did a podcast last week. But if not, then I do need to go ahead and work on my podcast as well. But I thought I just did one. I'll have to check it out. My baby, she is still asleep right now. If you hear those little baby noises, that's what you're hearing. She just is taking a nap. She normally gets up in the morning. I get her changed and freshened up, ready for the day. And then after she eats, plays a little bit, she goes back to sleep. So I do plan on taking her to the mall tomorrow to get a picture with Santa Claus, and I'll be vlogging that too, hopefully. But I just wanted to give you all an update, and I'll be back with you all shortly. All right, and then I also have some of these. Oh. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to fill up my candy dish. Please make sure to subscribe, make sure that your post notifications are on, because I'm definitely going to keep the content coming through Vlogmas. I do want to thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.